The first step is verify with the manual of the engine, verify with the manufacturer of the engine if that engine is recommended supercharged. If the manufacturer recommend install a turbo or supercharger on that engine. Investigate if the manufacturer have a special camshaft when the engine is supercharged or turbocharged. In that case, it's better because we are going to replace the camshaft for another camshaft that improve the performance of the engine. The green graphic in the bottom is the graphic when the engine is naturally aspirated, and the red graphic on top is the graphic of the engine when the engine is turbo or supercharged. Increase a little more than 5% or higher. This is good. Okay, we are going to verify what happened. How is that procedure? Look at this. In a typical diesel engine naturally aspirated, the volumetric efficiency is around 85%. In decimal terms is 0.85. But when you port the head, when you polish the ports, the intake ports and the exhaust ports, the volumetric efficiency increased 5%, around 90%. If additionally you added the turbo or the supercharger, you are in the limit in 100 or a little higher. Wow. Alright? If you have the chance, port the head. Polish the port, the intake ports and the exhaust ports. Other important recommendation. In this particular example, the weight of the engine is 1450 pounds and the weight of the transmission is 350 pounds. Okay, the total weight is 1800 pounds for this type of engine. This is a C series. Alright, now because the weight, we are going to calculate the vertical force in the front motor mounts and the vertical force in the rear motor mounts. In the front motor mounts is the total weight divided by 4, 40% of this. Okay, is 1800 divided by 4 times 0.4 is 180 pounds for the front per each front motor mount. In the rear motor mounts, we have the total weight divided by 4 times 0.6 is 270. This is the vertical force because the weight. The torque 1203 is equal to the force times the radius. Okay, the force, the vertical force, because the torque will be 1203 divided by 1.25 feet with feet by and is 962.4 pounds. This is the vertical force produced because the torque of the engine.